Question 4. Water is drained from a grey water tank. After t minutes, the volume is given by 1600 minus 80t plus t squared. We are asked to determine the average rate of change in the volume between 0 and 11 minutes. We will calculate the volume at 0 minutes. It is equal to 1600. We will also calculate the volume after 11 minutes. It is 841 liters. The average rate of change in the volume is given by volume 2 minus volume 1 over time 2 minus time 1. This gives us minus 69 liters per minute. The negative indicates that the volume in the tank is decreasing. In question B, they ask us for the instantaneous rate of change in the volume of the tank. So instantaneous rate of change is given by the derivative. We will find the derivative of the volume expression, minus 80 plus 2t, and the instantaneous rate of change at 1 minute. We will use the derivative, substitute 1, and see that it is minus 78 liters per minute. Similarly, at 5 minutes, the rate of change is minus 70 liters per minute, and at 15 minutes, the rate of change is minus 50 liters per minute. The negative in each instance indicates that the volume in the tank is decreasing. How long will it be before the tank is completely empty? Completely empty means that it is the minimum volume of water that there can be in the tank. Whenever we read about the minimum or the maximum, we will always make the derivative equal to 0. We already found the derivative and we will make it equal to 0 and solve for the value of t, and we will see that after 40 minutes the tank will be completely empty. Question 5. An experiment is done in which the temperature changes with time in seconds according to a certain formula. T, temperature, according to time is equal to 40 plus 3t minus 0,5 t squared. We are asked to determine the temperature after 1, 2, and 10 seconds. After 1 second, we will just substitute a 1 and see the temperature is 42,5 degrees Celsius. After 2 seconds, the temperature is 44 degrees Celsius. And after 10 seconds, the temperature is 20 degrees Celsius. Question B, we need to write down an expression for the rate of change in temperature. Rate of change always means we will find the derivative of the temperature, and it is given by 3 minus 1t. C. During which interval of time did the temperature decrease? So if we look at these temperatures, we will notice that the temperature first increased, and thereafter it started decreasing until it reached a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. So a decrease in temperature will be when the rate of change is negative. A negative rate of change means that the quantity is decreasing. So we will take the derivative and make it equal to 0. Smaller than 0. Smaller than 0 always means a negative number. So the derivative, 3 minus t, must be smaller than 0. 3 minus t must be negative. And if we solve for the value of t, we will see that from the time t greater than 0, the temperature started decreasing.